few days ago, I posted this question on Instagram and a bunch of you got it wrong. How do you find out the percentage rate when it comes to discount word problems? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, today we're going to talk about yun nga, paano mahanap yung mga percentage, pag yung percentage na nawawala. Commonly kasi ang mga problems na nasolve ko na in this channel and even dun sa Facebook page and other resources that I made for free ay kung nawawala yung peso na price. So, paano kung yung percentage na nawawala? I'm going to offer up a few options kung paano nyo siya masosolve, and in order for me to show you better, I'm going to switch over to my PC. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so ito yung discussion natin on discount rate word problems. I already have a bunch of videos on discounts and markups na mga word problems, pero this specifically is for missing rate. And I will give you options kung paano siya i-solve, 3 options actually, and hopefully makatulong sa inyo sa exam, okay? Now, a question dito sa topic na to would sound like this. Sabi, what is the percentage of price increase if Julie paid 1,800 for a pair of jeans that used to cost 1,500? Now, again, this is a very simple problem just because I want to demonstrate kung ano yung way kung paano siya i-solve. Okay? Now, you have a number of options. The first one is the traditional method. Ang traditional method niyan is using the formula. Now, there are different terms dun sa formula na to, pero ako, when I solve these, I write it like this. So, I put NP, or new price, equals the original price, and then, ang formula is plus or minus, depende sa sitwasyon, the original price times the percentage, or the rate. Okay? So, again, just to name them, this is the new price, and then, ito yung original price, or the full price. And then, ito yung kanyang rate. Now, in this case, dahil rate ang nawawala, that would become your x. So, if you're trying to solve this, ang mangyayari dyan, you will take the new price, which is yung binayaran niya, 1,800, and then, babangga mo siya dun sa kanyang original price, which is 1,500. Now, the first struggle ng people is, hindi nila minsan alam kung alin ang original price at alin naman ang discounted or new price. How do you know? Okay, one thing or one trick that I teach my students is Tagalogin ninyo yung tanong or i-translate mo siya sa iyong natural na language. Bakit? Kasi pag tinranslate mo to, malalaman mo na ang sinasabi dito is, ang binayaran daw ni Julie is 1,800 para sa maong or sa jeans na ang dating presyo ay 1,500. So, when we're talking about lumang presyo, of course, yun yung original price. Ngayon, nagtaas ng presyo, yun yung naging 1,800. So, ang new price will have to be yung 1,800. Now, bakit ko sila-stress ito? Kasi some people, pag nilagay nila dito yung 1,500, mag-iiba na kasi yung sagot. Okay? Magkikiba yung itsura nung formula mo. So, 1,800 the new price, that's equals, and then the old price, which is 1,500, and then, dahil ito ay nag-increase ka ng presyo, that would be plus, and then here you have 1,500 times x, which is yung rate na hindi natin alam ngayon. And then you're going to solve that. Okay? So, I'll just do it for you just to demonstrate yung magiging proseso if you're using the traditional method. So, you copy this, 1,800 is equal to, and then 1,500 plus, tas yung 1,500 times x would be 1,500 x. Now, next thing you're going to do is you will transfer this to the other side. Okay, lilipat mo siya doon. So, ang mangyayari dito would be is equal to, and then may iwan yung x sa isang side, 1,500x, and then, dito would be 1,800 minus 1,500, which will give you 300. So, 300 is equal to 1,500x, and then, you will divide both sides by 1,500. Okay? Para makancel mo ngayon itong x na ito, yung 1,500 na yan. So, ang magiging problema na next would be, you will have to divide 300 by 1,500. And a lot of people struggle with that. Okay? Now, one trick that you could do just to simplify things would be, kung ilan yung 0 dito, pwede mo nang i-cancel dito. Okay? So now you have 3 divided by 15. Or, what I do, just to simplify things nga, kasi ayoko nagdi-divide ng komplikado, what you could do would be just to convert it into fraction, kung kaya mo namang i-manage, 3 over 15. Or, this will be 1 over 5. So, ang 1 over 5, kung over 100 siya, that would be 100 divided by 5 is 20 times 1. That would be 20 over 100. Bakit? Kasi ako, okay, mas madali lang sa akin i-manipulate yung numbers like that than to divide it like this. Kasi kung 20 over 100 na siya, the answer would be 20%. Okay? But again, you can do it like this. Pwede mo i-solve na ganyan. So, again, 3 divided by 15. So, hindi pwede ang 3, so 0. And then, para bumagsak siya dito, lalagyan mo lang siya ng 0 na extra kasi nag-decimal ka naman na. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So, 0.2. And ang 0.2 is also equivalent to 20%. So, the answer will still be 20%. But again, this is the entire thing na dadaanan mo. Okay? Now, paano naman kung ayaw kong dumaan sa formula or ayaw kong gumamit ng traditional method? Anong gagawin ko? Okay? What you could do would be to use yung ratio rotation. And this is something that I discussed in an older video nga, pero hindi ko kasi na-demonstrate yung paano pag percentage ang nawawala. Ang style ko dito, if you're using the ratio rotation method, is this, okay? Ang technique is, you have your percentage side and your peso side, okay? And then you have OP over NP, or pwede ring NP over OP. Ang importante, itapat mo siya sa tamang side. Okay? So, the original price is the OP, or the full price, and then the new price is the discounted or marked up price. Now, na-determine na natin kanina, ang new price natin is 1,800 at ang kanyang original price is 1,500. Now, dun sa percentage side naman, ang style dito sa technique na ito is, ang full price, by the word full, is always 100%. Buo siyang 100. Ang hindi natin alam ngayon is kung ano yung nangyari doon sa 100 para lumabas yung 1,800. So, this time, dito naman yung magiging X natin kasi hindi natin yan alam. Okay, now what do you do next? You're just going to use ratio rotation. And to do that, para mas mapasimple ang mga bagay-bagay, ilo-lowest terms ko lang to. So again, I will eliminate the 2 zeros kasi na-cancel sila out. Okay? And I have a video on cancellation, no? Multiplying fractions using cancellation. If you haven't seen that yet, ililink ko na lang din sa taas para mahahabol nyo siya. And then, ito, pareho silang divisible sa 3. So, pwede ko siya i-divide sa 3 pareho. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 naman is 6. So, 5 over 6. And then, pwede ko na siyang iikot. At madali na lang siya iikot dahil ang 100 naman, madali mo na i-divide yun sa 5. Okay? So, 100 divided by 5 is 20. Tapos, 20 times 6 is 120. Okay? Now, the next part dito is analysis. Okay? Kung yung dati ay 100%, naging 120%, anong nangyari? Ang nangyari is nagdagdag ka ng 20. So, nagdagdag ka ng 20%. So, again, 20% pa rin yung lalabas na sagot. But again, this can be a little faster than using the formula. Kasi yung iba, uungkatin pa muna kung ano yung formula, tapos isa-substitute mo, isa-solve mo pa siya. Medyo mas matagal siya. Okay? So, this is another option. Now, paano kung hindi pa rin kaya to, or naghahanap ka pa rin ng ibang way? The third option would be to use the estimation method. Now, ang core dito is if you already know kung paano mag-solve ng estimation mentally. Now, I have a video on that, yung percentage by estimation. I will link it here na lang din for you guys para mahabol nyo siya. Pero basically, pwede mong tansyahin kung ano yung increase ng price. Paano mo yun gagawin? You will start with the full price. Ang full price natin is 1,500. Now, yung 1,500 naging 1,800. Okay, ano ang nangyari? Nadagdagan siya ng 300. Paano ko nakuha yung 300? Ginawa ko lang na 1,800 minus 1,500. Okay, yan yung 300. So, ang tanong na next would be, anong part ng 1,500 yung 300? Okay? And what you could do would be to think. Okay, kasi 300 maliit no? Magsimula tayo sa 10%. Ano ba ang 10% ng 1,500? Ang sabi ko, dun sa video din na yun, tinuro ko yun dun sa shortcut, pag 10%, igagalaw mo lang yung decimal point ng isang beses pa left. So, ang 10% is 150. Okay? And then you can just look at the number relation. By estimation, magagawa nyo yan, lalo na kung may options. And sa civil service exam, UPCAT, LAE, PhilSat, all of those aptitude tests, meron namang options. Okay? So, 150, kulang pa siya. Now, ang 150 times 2 would be 300. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, ita-times 2 ko na lang din to para makuha ko yung 300. Or, magdadagdag ako ng additional 10%. So, you have 150. And then, now you have 20% or 300. Okay? So, 300 na siya ngayon. Alright? So, ang tamang sagot, same thing as kanina, is still 20%. Alright? So, again, that's how you do it using traditional method, ratio rotation, and then yung estimation method natin. Alright, now it's time for your quick quiz. I hope masagutan nyo to. I'll give you some time to choose your method and of course to solve the problem. And then at the end, we're going to discuss kung ano yung tamang sagot using the 3 methods. Alright? If you're ready, your timer starts now. All right, let's see how you did. Okay, let's start with yung ating traditional method. Sabi, if Haley paid 14,400 pesos for a discounted laptop and the original price is 240 pesos, what was the discount rate? In this case, discount naman pinag-uusapan natin. Bumaba yung presyo. Okay? So again, if you want to use the formula, you will have the new price is equal to the original price. In this case, dahil nag-discount siya, so minus the original price times the percentage rate na hindi natin alam. So, if fill in natin yung information, ang 14,400 is the discounted price. So, that is the new price. So, that would be 14,400 in this side. And then, here you have 24,000 minus 24,000 times x. Okay? Or 24,000x na lang. Okay. Now, in order for us to keep things positive, okay, pwede nating ilipat itong part na ito sa side na ito, tapos ito ngayon ang ililipat ko sa kabila. Bakit? Kasi mas maganda kung positive yung x, mas madali siya i-manage. So, for example, dito, mangyayari dyan would be 24,000x is equal to 24,000 minus 14,400. Okay, so again, positive na siya, mas manageable na siya. So, 24,000 x is equal to, ima-minus natin to ngayon, dalawa. Alright, next would be 24,000 minus 14,400. So, ibabawas ko lang siya. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, hindi ko muna isipin yung dalawang zero dito. 240 na lang minus 144. I actually can do that mentally. But you can also do that using the traditional method, no? That would give me 96. Okay, and then I'll just add dalawang zero. So, 9,600. Okay? So again, you can use yung lumang method na isulat mo siya, i-rewrite mo rin siya. Pero if you want to do it like that, na parang using just chunking, you can also do that as well. Okay, so 9,600. Tapos ika-cancel natin 24,000. I-divide natin sila both sides na 24,000. Okay? Para that way, maka-cancel ito. Now, ang next problem would be 9,600 divided by 24,000. Okay? So you will do it like this. Okay? 9,600 divided by 24, 1, 2, 3. Again, pwede mong i-cancel na yung mga zero na sobra kung ayaw mo na siya masyadong isipin. So 96 na lang divided by 240. So that will give you a decimal. So 0 point, and then now you put 0 there. So 960 na yung pinag-uusapan. Ilang 240 ang meron sa 960. Okay? And ito yung medyo challenging na part, honestly, when it comes to dealing with decimals. Okay? Pag hindi kayo masyado magaling mag-divide ng numbers, you'll have trouble with this. So, actually, ako kasi I would know, pag minultiply ko siya ng mabilisan sa 4, pasok siya doon. So, 960 din yun, makakancel na yan. So, 0.4 or 40% ang discount. Alright? So, again, you can do this using the traditional method. Now, kung ratio rotation naman siya, i-demonstrate ko lang din. Again, yung ating technique, we have our percentage side and our peso side. Tapos you have OP over NP or NP over OP. Yan, i-fill in lang natin siya. So, ang original price is always 100%. So, dito 100. Original price ngayon is 24,000 pesos. Ang kanyang new price or discounted price is 14,400. This becomes X. Alright, so now that I have that in place, I'm just going to convert these into smallest terms, no? So, ang original price ko, 24,000. Ika-cancel ko agad yung dalawa zero para less na iniisip. Now, pwede ko silang isa-isahin. Pwede ako mag-start muna sa 2. So, divide both sides by 2, sa taas sa baba. So, 240 divided by 2 is 120. Tapos, yung 144, magiging, ano siya, 72. Now, again, pwede pa uli siya sa 2. Pwede ko siyang gawing 60. And then, this will be 36. And then, di-divide ko uli siya sa 2. Pwede uli. So, this will be 30. And then, this will be 18. Pwede na ngayon siya sa 2 pa rin. So, you have 15. And then, you have 9. Pwede siya sa 3. So, 3 would be 5. And then, this will be 3. Okay? So, now, maliit na siya. Ang natira na lang ay 5 at saka 3 sa ilalim. Pwede ko na siya ngayon i-ratio rotation. So, ang mangyayari na lang dyan would be 100 divided by 5, which is going to give me 20. And then 20 times 3, which is going to give me 60. So, kung yung 100 naging 60, anong nangyari sa kanya? Nag-minus ka ng 40. So, again, 40% ang naging discount. Makukuha mo pa rin siya using ratio rotation. Okay? Now, again, using estimation naman. Nagsimula ka sa 24,000, naging 14,400. So, ima-minus ko muna siya. Okay? So, again, nagawa na rin naman natin kanina. So, ang mangyayari dyan would be, it will be 9,600. Okay? And then, bubuuin natin ngayon 9,600. Now, ang 10% ng 24,000 is 2,400. Tapos, uulit-ulitin lang natin siya. Okay? So, you can add another 2,400. So, 10%. This will be 4,800. And if you notice again, dahil kung sanay ka mag-add or mag-multiply, 4,800 is 1/2 nito. So, pwede mo na lang to i-times 2 para maging 9,600. So, ang ma-derive ko dyan would be 20% times 2 ang sagot. So, the answer is 40%. And again, if you have options, mas madali pa yan. Kasi, ang titingnan mo na lang would be which of the options fit dun sa percentage na yon. Dahil sanay ka mag-guesstimate. Okay? So again, I hope all of these options help you. Makapili kayo ng kung ano yung nag-work sa inyo best. Kasi lalo na kung you're taking UPCAT, Civil Service, PhilSat, ang problema dyan is not the question, pero yung kakulangan sa time. Okay? So sana mas mapabilis kayo nito. Okay? Now, if you didn't get this right or if you want more exercises, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lyqa Maravilla. I will be posting more quick questions on this topic and sana isa kayo sa mga magiging tama. Okay? Pag nag-post ako ng questions na tungkol dyan. Alright? Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends. Lalo na mag-exam din sila. That way, mas marami tayong matutulungan. And if you want to reach out to me directly, request a video lesson, or to get yung mga reviewers that I made, or join the online or live review programs, you can go to my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information. I would love to hear back from you. And I'm saying, always say dito sa team, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you on my next video, and bye for now.